Happy Sunday. Lifted van meet is about 5 days away. I thought yesterday's video was gonna be the last video promoting it until the meet, but my last video promoting it, yesterday's video, got 4 new subscribers, and I got a comment from someone telling me that they want to participate in the meet, and he has 2 friends with vans wanting to show up too. So I gotta make one more video. So what is a lifted van meet? Well, my meet, I'm not gonna tell you guys what time to wake up. There's no itinerary. I'm not gonna make you guys go hiking, do any stretches or anything like that. All I want to do is share my passion for this hobby. I know most of you are showing up for the epic off-roading convoy. You guys have all seen that clip I shared a billion times, and I'm finally gonna retire that clip. I was so proud of it because it was 4 lifted vans off-roading. This meet, my dream was to have 5 lifted vans off-roading, and I was gonna be happy with that. But this is gonna be big. So far the roll call is 7 Weldtec lifted vans, 6 action vans, a Camburg. Arthur, you gotta show up, man, with your Ford Parts 1. And then all the 2-wheel drive lift kits are gonna be represented. We got a U-joint showing up, a DIY 4x4 conversion, and 2 GM 4x4s. So there's just gonna be a nice mixture of van builds at this meet. I won't even be offended if you show up with a group of friends and you don't even talk to me. Hey, if you're going to this meet to have something to do with your buddies, go camping with your buddies, you just want to check out all the cool van builds, I'm okay with that. I always joked around, like, believe it or not, I'm actually an introvert at heart. I'm an introvert that enjoys talking to good people, so I've always said that these lifted van meets are perfect for introverts. You could hang out at your own pace, and if people are just too overwhelming, you could go in your van the whole day if you want, and I'm cool with that. You know, we're gonna have a huge camp spot, middle of Anza Borrego, so you could camp out wherever you want. If you want to be alone, out in the distance, but you still have the security of knowing there's a group, you could do that too. So here's my van build. This is what I'm bringing with me. I always joked around, I have a poor man's sportsmobile, 2-wheel drive lifted with an aux locker. That's the Ryan special ladder right there, and Ryan will be at this meet. Ryan just got into this industry of making Econoline aftermarket stuff. He even reproduced this ORW Baja Eliminator light bar. This is the original one, and he cloned this. So Ryan will be there, and his van has all his gear on it. So ORW light bar, Ryan ladder, no luminous stuff on my van. That's my DIY storage box. So I slapped this on my van. I'm going to paint it, you know, I'm going to make it look a little nicer for the meet, and slap my recovery boards on it. So I'm just going to have a bunch of emergency equipment in there, recovery gear, a recovery strap. Here's my high lift right here. This is off of a Jeep Wrangler. Jeep Wrangler hood mounts is bolted to my bumper. That's how I'm holding my high lift jack. Yeah, this is a DIY build right here. Budget sports mobiling. And then there's the aux locker right there. That's it, simple. Nothing spectacular, but that's the heart of this meet. That's the soul of this meet. A lot of you guys have lifted 2-wheel drives, or you want to lift your stock van. There's going to be a bunch of stock vans at this meet. So I'm going to repaint my storage box, and I'm going to repaint this hood today. That's why I went for a drive to the bank. So I sprayed my hood up. So I'm gonna retouch this. It's starting to fade here now. So slap on a couple of coats, get all nice for the lifted van meet. So really looking forward to what you guys have. Look at that van right there. This guy needs to take his van to Boulder off-road, get it lifted. I like the high top. But yeah, I'm just looking forward to meeting all of you. I'm looking forward to seeing my friends again and meeting a lot of you for the first time. Like I said, if you go in a group and you say hi to me one time during this whole meet, it's okay. Have fun with your friends. Bring your family. It's a family-friendly meet. Bring the family. Hey, if you just want security for your family, that's okay too. So look forward to seeing you guys in a couple of days. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys the interior of my van real quick. That's it. If you didn't see yesterday's video and you're new to my channel, that's my interior. Nothing spectacular. Gonna be living out of this for a couple of days.